In 2014, on September 24, a group of passionate individuals came together to establish Gopals, an organization born out of a collective desire to nurture a sustainable society through the care of desi cows and support for farmers. This initiative was inspired by Ram Tyagarajan, an IT professional hailing from Tirunelveli. He volunteered for the Vishwamangal Gau Gram Yatra in 2009 and recognized the integral role cows play in rural India's cultural, social, and economic sustenance. Ram's journey began with a series of questions that emerged during a signature campaign aimed at preventing cow slaughter. These questions ignited a deeper exploration within him. Ram's initial efforts involved the distribution of A2 milk from desi cows, but he soon realized that people needed to experience the value of cows firsthand to truly appreciate them. To bridge this gap, Ram organized trips to Gaushalas where families could engage in activities like tree planting and learning about cow breeds. The overwhelming response to these events led to the founding of Gopals alongside friends Keshav Modi and Mukesh Gupta. The heart of Gopals lies in its dedicated volunteers and their selfless contribution towards an eco-friendly society. In the Gopals family, every volunteer, young or old, contributes to a shared mission. We clean, we plant, we care for cows. Together, we nurture the earth, support organic farming, and uplift our farmers.
Gopals is doing very good volunteering work wherein they take care of the infrastructure needed for the desi cows like waters, water tanks, and financial support for the cow rearing community. All this has been wonderfully taken care of by the Gopals.
Over the years, Gopals has started many initiatives such as Support a Cow Herd, setting up organic input centers, Project Vriksham, corporate sponsorship programs, and many more collaborative sustainability projects. These small acts of kindness create a ripple of compassion, ensuring a better world for both our farmers and future generations.
We have been targeting a lot of schools and colleges, the younger minds, fresh mind who can bring about change in the society.
For many, Gopals isn't just an organization, it's a family. Our vision extends beyond rural communities. Through our corporate outreach program, we are bringing sustainable practices to the business world.
The Trek to Heal, wherein employees can go to trekking spots, and in the process we try to spread awareness of native Indian cows. So it would be a great idea to partner with Team Gopals.
Gopal's collective vision is to find ways to extend their impact to at least 100 villages, ensuring that this initiative remains for the people, by the people, and of the people. As the Gopal's journey continues, we would love for you to be a part of it. Whether you are an individual looking to make a difference or a company aiming for sustainable growth, there is a place for you in the Gopals family.
The next 10 years, we hope to reach the general masses, the general public, and then explain about the benefits of native cows.
Coming January, Team Gopals plans to have a walkathon called Walk to Heal. So we are aiming thousands of participants in and around Bangalore to join this event and be part of awareness and applications of native cows.
Together we can make a difference. Together we are Gopals, the pals of desi cows.
So Gopal's mission is to spread awareness and application of native cows, which are nothing but essential for sustainable living for the society.